What is up, folks? Look at this dog. Ooh, Reese. Oh, Reese. That's a good dog. Yes, look at those mountains. They're beautiful. Alright, so check this out. Today's video, we have a little conversation we are going to have. But here's the deal. Now, I am not I'm not like overly excited about motorcycles. I'm not overly excited about ATVs. I'm not overly excited about anything really. I just want to have fun. But I've recently found where my passion really lies, right? Okay, now check this out. Back in the day, this is what I used to do. So, on that note, we are going to be selling this TW, and most likely we are going to be selling this TW as well. Now, there's a catch to that, but we are also most likely, well, I take that back. I just need to rebuild this. I need to put a top end on it. It really all comes down to my kids if they want to drive this, because we have this, and honestly, only really one of them rides that, and the other one turned 16, and now she can drive. So, the catch to the TWs is I will be selling these. I'm thinking of selling them as a pair. I am giving Mob Street 83 first dibs. So, he gets to decide if he's gonna be buying these from me. Now, I already talked to him a little bit. He said he's interested. Now, next thing, we just gotta come up with a timeline and when he can buy them. So, come March, we're definitely gonna be selling these. Now, I'll hold them up until March, maybe the end of March. But he's got until about then. So if he's watching this video, let's chat a little bit more. Business meeting. And we tried setting up a business meeting, but yeah, we're gonna set something up soon. But that being said, like I said, my real passion has always been with the rock crawling and kind of the off-road in the vehicles. Now, my reasoning behind that is I love to travel off-road. I like to jump in the vehicles and take a bunch of people and go off-roading. Now, yeah, I can do that in a side-by-side, right? But when I was looking for side-by-sides, prices were crazy. So I bought a Jeep for about half the cost. And now that Jeep makes me a lot of money. So I bought another Jeep. Still very reasonably priced compared to a side-by-side. Now, side-by-sides are cool. A lot of people have to trailer them to the trailhead. We jump in the Jeep. We go drive wherever we want. We're a little slower on some of the trails. Obviously, Razors have way good suspension, but it's not about going fast on the trails. Just about enjoying our time as a family and, you know, whatever. So, that being said, we're going to make some changes around here. We are going to maybe put some upgrades into the Suburban. So, if you're here because of the TWs, if you subscribed because of the TWs, or any of the other content, hell, I even got mowers back there. But, stick around. Enjoy your time here. Let me know. We're about ready to get into some fun. Right now, it's kind of wintertime. We're trying to do what we can, but there's a couple things that play a factor. Now, to play in the snow, to really play in the snow, to play in like the good stuff, right? You gotta have them set up way more than what I got them set up as. I do need new tires for the Suburban. However, the tires are fairly decent enough that when we start rock crawling, I think we'll be okay. So I'm kind of waiting on buying those. I haven't jumped the gun and bought tires yet. Because let's face it, winters Winter is almost over, and I don't need new tires yet. Mud, I can play in the mud still and have fun. I don't need new tires yet. What we're waiting for is some of these little off-road trails. Go on some trails up the canyon. Just go hit some of these trails, have a little fun, rock crawl, go to Moab, go to Little Moab. Just have fun, camping, do things as a family. Now, don't get me wrong. Family time can still be had on all this stuff. We as a family, though, we just prefer the vehicles, the Jeeps, the Suburban. My kids really aren't, they like to ride this stuff, but when we go out to the camping and do all these things, we don't really care to ride them. We just have fun. We just like to go camp, have some fun. So we like the toys. They're fun. They're exciting, but this is not my family's passion. So the Jeep, the Suburban, the other Jeep, stuff like that. That's where we're gonna go. So we're gonna be maybe looking at getting something else that we could maybe tow that are just crazy. We roll it, we don't give a shit. We don't care. But like I said, that's kind of where we're going. That's kind of where the channel is gonna be going. More off-road stuff. Still got the CTS-V. I did get some prices on some stuff, turbos. But now that I own the Jeep, I don't know if I want to supercharge the CTS-V. It's a V1, so that one is not supercharged. All the rest of them, all the newer models are supercharged. But I don't know whether to turbo it. That was my thought, right? But after owning the Jeep and the supercharge, I don't know, man. It's a tough call right there. Way tough call. I have no idea. Like, I don't know, man. I got the F-150, the work truck. It's same. Yeah, it's got the EcoBoost. It's the twin turbo. That thing, aluminum body. Put that thing in sport mode. That's fast. But this supercharger is just, oh man, I don't know. Anyways, so stick around, subscribe, unsubscribe, whatever you want to do. I'll still be doing some how-tos on the vehicles, changing headlights, all that stuff. That stuff is what kind of brings me the long-term income. So we'll see. But I want to start making better videos. And with the bikes, it was fun. It was fun for me, but I didn't get out as often because it really wasn't a passion of mine to just get on the bike one morning and go for a ride. For one, because obviously don't have, well, I might have enough for my whole family, but they didn't like to do that. But when I say, dude, let's go for a ride in the Jeep, they're like, okay. And the two younger ones, they're still not as fun for them, but the older one and my wife, they love it. Like, we love going on rides. We just went to the sand dunes, and dude, that was fun. We all had fun. We all had a good time. And we were just in the Jeep. We were just cruising the dunes in the Jeep. But, like I said, stay tuned. In the summer, we got the Suburban. We got the plow Jeep. We may be putting some money into the plow Jeep because I'd like to set it up a little bit better. We might put some lockers in it. Might put a new lift on it, stuff like that. But now we've got the new Jeep, so we've got our own little collection of vehicles that we're gonna go have some fun in. So anyways, that's it. I'm gonna cut this video short, even though it's already long, way longer than I thought. But I like to ramble, and I wanna just tell you what's going on with the channel and what we're gonna be doing. And yeah, it's just a new direction for 2023. And so far, it's been good. Having a good time on Facebook. If you check out Facebook, it's under Kurt Shelley. I've got a lot of reels on there. Go follow me. A lot of the stuff I put on there, I do put some shorts on YouTube, but they're like not, I can't edit them like I can the ones on Facebook. So sometimes the ones on Facebook are a little more entertaining. So peace out. Have a good day. Smile. Smile every morning when you get out of bed. And one thing I'm trying to do better is get myself in better shape. I find that when I'm doing those things, trying to get in better shape, working harder, doing a lot of stuff, I feel like everything in life goes better for me. So anyways, smile every morning. Peace out. Have a good day. And we'll see you in the next video. P.S. The dog Jeep, the Jeep Liberty, it's no longer going to be a dog Jeep. Stay tuned for what we're going to do with that here in the next, I don't know, I'd say this month.